What's up, guys? This is part 2 of my cat Apollo. Well, because he's like an Egyptian now. I guess my brothers looked up Egyptian names. Well, Egyptian cat names. How are you, butt? What are you doing? Sitting there? You're sitting there? Yeah.
Gotta love the life that we live in.
Well, you're boring right now. Totally. Oh my gosh. Find it. Oh, there it is. Oh, you're being really boring right now, Apollo. Get it! You're tired, I think. Same as last time. Thank you for using your valuable time to watch this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please read description. Wait, no, not description. I don't care about the description. If you want to read it, I don't give a crap. Just please subscribe to my channel. It is still January 3rd, 2012 that I don't even know what I said last time, honestly. Thank you.